claims, and he said that if his parents were taken into some hospital which was nearby to the accident spot, his father would have still survived, but he was brought dead. He succumbed to his injuries. We are showing you his pictures, viewers, this morning.
A shocking incident unfolded at the heart of Delhi, where a BMW car crushed Deputy Secretary of the Finance Ministry Navjot Singh. To talk about the issue, I have with me his son, Navnoor Singh. What happened? Can you please narrate what exactly happened during the incident?
So I don't know the specific details. वो अभी still investigate हो रहा है. What I know is कि मैं घर पे था. I got a call around 2-ish. It was a family friend who told us that my mom and dad have been in an accident. Accident happened in Dhola Kuan, and for some reason my mother and him both were unconscious, and they were taken to a hospital in GTB Nagar, in Mukherjee Nagar, called New Life, which is 20 kilometers away. That is about an hour of drive, and they were not even taken in an ambulance. The accused, according to me, was absconded. She was not there. Even her father-in-law said that he didn't know where she was, and even her husband was saying that she didn't know where he was. So after that, after about 5 to 6 hours, I spotted the doctor in his doctor's office filing an MCL report on the patient. The name was Gaganpreet. This is in context of the video that so then I asked the doctor that why are you filing a fake report, because you just told me because the Gaganpreet is not here, his wife is not here. I even asked multiple staffs and even the reception and even the police. The police then asked the hospital staff, and so this happened around 5 to 5:30. So the guy who lives across the hospital, they told me that the name of the owner is Gaganpreet.
So this is the same Gaganpreet who is the accused in the case, right?
Yeah.
You all the details as far as the senior official of the Union Ministry of Finance being killed and his wife in seriously injured condition after a BMW car.
इतने लॉसेस?
चाचू को लॉसेस बताने में भी डर लग रहा है.
तू खुद टैक्स फाइल क्यों नहीं करता? क्लियर टैक्स पर यहाँ पे.
Take a look.